Hello everyone, my name is Max Kavanaugh and I'm here today at the MarineMax Rogers location, and we're showcasing this beautiful boat behind me, which is the all-new 2023 G23 from Nautique. Now this is an absolutely beautiful boat. We have the black hull bottom with the white hull here, and then as we move to the back here you have that nice red accent. It looks really sharp because it ties in with the red stitching here. So that's in the interior as well. There's some red accents. It just really goes together. Up at the tower here, if you look here, you'll have the strapless board racks that do swivel in and out. It has 2 tower speakers and a bimini top up there that folds out to the right and to the left. It gives you lots of shade. As we move back here, a couple things that I'll point out in the transom of the boat. You have a nice big swim platform here with sea deck right on top here. It's the mocha brown. You have a ladder underneath this platform, make it a little bit easier just to get up into the boat. Down below, you have your standard Nautique surf pipe. You have your NSS, the Nautique surf system. This is the plate that deploys out. You have your NCRS just behind the surf pipe, which is the Nautique configurable running surface. And then also, this is equipped with underwater lights, a little added feature. And one of the biggest things that I'll point out that makes it much easier just to drive a boat like this in tight situations is the steering assist, which is integrated into the steering wheel. Very cool feature that Nautique has on this G23. Now, let's go take a look at the interior of this boat. All right, we're starting off on the transom of this boat. I want to point out these nice transom seats that you can sit in while you're maybe anchored or just at a standstill. Great way to lounge in the back, enjoy maybe your kids playing, or just have a nice cocktail or drink. But back here you do have a nice integrated cooler that lifts up. You can throw your ice in there, put drinks, and it does drain as well. Transom stereo remote right here, your backward, forward, pause and play feature. You can change the volume too, really nice. A lot of cup holders that you'll see, 2 right up on top of here. There's 1 here on the other side there, and there's 2 on the platform, so plenty of space to have your waters or drinks or whatever you're having. But in true Nautique fashion, you have this nice big walkway here with sea deck, so it makes it really easy just to step up, step down, and you'll see these beautiful accent colors in the vinyl here. You have this nice black true weave, you have the red accent here as well, and then you have the red stitching. So really cool details on this G23 in specific. Open up the hatches here, and you'll see that this is all storage space. Lots of space inside this G23. You can put your boards, your bags, fenders, your dock line, whatever. Lots of space here to go out for the day. Close up like so. And as we walk in, again, not a very big step down into the cockpit, so it's easy on your knees. Take a look at this whole interior, the whole shape of everything, from the nice contouring in the vinyls here. Looks really sharp, really well done. Again, you have the nice white with the black true weave, the red stitching throughout the entire boat. You even have the red accent piping here too. So really cool. Lift up the seats here. You're gonna have storage underneath all these seats. And this actually is communicating storage into the back locker. So you can put a ski in there if you wanted to. Now, this is a cool feature too this G23 has. The wake view bench flips up like so. And now, anybody that's surfing, anybody that's even wakeboarding, you can have a couple people sit here facing those riders, makes it easier on the neck for sure. You do have a little bit of storage underneath there as well, but really cool feature. Let it slide right back down. Close these back up. And now, moving to the tower here for a second, you do have the strapless board racks. Makes it really easy just to clamp your boards in. And they swivel out really easy as well, just like that. Same thing on that side. As we move forward here, I will point out the passenger side first. Again, you're gonna have storage underneath here. Right now the cover is there. One thing they did nice on the G23 here is they actually cut out a little bit more of this foam. So when I push this down, it doesn't rub as much on that seat. Now, this passenger seat, if I look in here, is heated. It has the button right here. So this is a heated passenger seat. There's a heated captain's chair just to make your days a little bit more enjoyable and comfortable. Inside this glove box, you will have JL audio, you will have some speaker connections, you'll have USB ports, auxiliary connections as well, just for the stereo system, but also great storage here, and it's recessed, which makes it easy just for the driver to see through the windshield and out into the distance for any oncoming boats. There's some glove boxes that you'll see in other competitors possibly that are up higher, just making it a little bit more difficult for that driver to see. Okay, now at the helm, at the moment this link pan array is not in the boat, it's on order, just so you guys know, it doesn't come without the screen. But looking at the helm here, you have this beautiful captain's chair, bolstering in all the right positions in the midsection, down by the thighs, and it does have this cutout, which is just so nice because you can turn around without swiveling the seat and talk to your people that are in your boat, in your cockpit area. Just more convenient for the driver themselves. On the armrest here, you have a nice big oversized armrest, really comfortable. The ergonomics are great. You have a throttle here, you have your encoded rotary dial with your hotkeys around that dial. Those are the keys that Nautique feels that you will use the most, and they include them right there. You have a nice premium wrap leather steering wheel, this beautiful stitching inside here, 3-spoke design, really well done. All the vinyls and stitching up here. Nice little place to hold your phone, which I'll show you real quick just to give you an idea. It fits just like so, right there. Again, all the detail. Up front here too, you do have the wavefront speakers, and that's really going to bounce the sound off the windshield and back into the cockpit, giving you a more immersive sound. In the walkway here up to the bow, you have a beautiful storage, or I'm sorry, not storage, but garbage access. You can throw your garbage right in there because there's a garbage can. Very convenient. You do have a pop-out door here that slides in just to block that wind. You can shut the windshield like so. You can turn your heaters on and you can stay out until October. What's nice is that there's dedicated storage for this door as well. You don't have to pick it up and put it somewhere. Storage is already built in, which is great. Now up in the bow, the G series in Nautiques is really known for just a lot of space up here. Very wide, but still got that deep V in the front there, just give you that great ride. A lot of space up here. You have armrests that pop up on each side. You do have a bow filler cushion that you can switch over to the SeaDeck side here. You could even pop this seat out, which has SeaDeck underneath, and walk all the way out. Super cool, really cool feature like that. Underneath the seats here in the bow, again, there's more storage. More storage. It's all finished off with SeaDeck like the rest of the storage areas. Up in the bow, to point out as well, is the 2 speakers up here. You have 2 cup holders, a couple grab handles just to make it a little bit nicer for that passenger up here. And this boat does come with the enhanced courtesy lighting package, which is really cool because you can change those cup holder ring lights to whatever color you would like. And even on the back of the seat here, this Nautique logo will, I'm sorry, not this one won't light up, but the one on Paragon will. But those lights will light up to whatever color you choose. So pink, green, blue, could be red. It's really cool, looks really sharp, especially at nighttime. Guys, this was the Nautique G23 here at the MarineMax Rogers location. If you have any questions, please give us a call or come stop by and we'd be glad to help you out. Thank you.